Still waiting for inspiration to strike? Stop waiting. Inspiration isn't magic. It's a habit you build every day. Great designers don't sit around waiting for a creative mood. They train their eyes to notice everything. Shapes in street signs, color combos in food packaging, textures on walls, shadows on the pavement. Everyday life is full of design ideas. When you start observing instead of scrolling, your mind begins collecting sparks automatically. Take photos, save color palettes, sketch quick ideas. Do it daily, even when you don't feel creative. Because inspiration isn't something you find, it's something you practice.